So you just heard that beat. That's the kind of track that just hits you in the feels, right? It's perfect for telling a story about love, heartbreak, all of it. But what if I told you that you could make something that sounds just as soulful and professional, even if you're staring at a totally blank FL Studio project? I know a lot of producers get paralyzed by that empty screen, not knowing where to even start. Well, in this video, I'm gonna be your guide. We're going through every single step. We are building this entire sad Kompa beat from scratch. By the end, you'll have a formula you can use to create your own emotional tracks. Let's get into it. To focus on the big challenge of creating a melody, I need to give you a drum loop sample that I made. Please download it, download link on video description, and import it into FL Studio. This will help us concentrate on the melody and other important elements. Alright, so here we are in a fresh FL Studio project. First things first, we need to set the mood, and that starts with the tempo. For that slow, emotional Kompa love style, you want to be a bit slower than the super upbeat stuff. Let's dial the BPM back to 82. This gives the whole track room to breathe while still keeping that core Kompa groove. Now, import the drum loop sample you downloaded and drag it into the playlist. We've got the drums locked in, so now it's time to bring in the sad part of our sad Kompa beat. This is where the track gets its heart. For the sound, I'm just going to open up a Korg 1 VST plugin. They're great because you can find awesome sounds right away. I'm looking for a soft ambient pad, something with a slow attack that kind of swells in. I'll just draw these chords into the piano roll and stretch them out so each one lasts for 2 bars. I want them to be long and sustained, creating a soft bed of sound for everything else. To make the pad even more atmospheric, I'll add a healthy dose of reverb to make it feel wide and spacious. Zouk music without a strum guitar isn't truly Zouk. I will add a Contact VST plugin and load the funk strum guitar. Remember, this strum guitar plays in a style similar to arpeggios. To achieve the desired results, you'll need to assign chords, create patterns, and map the patterns to the chords. Just pay close attention to what I'm doing and you will understand. Here, I am holding the MIDI keyboard to play my chords. You can see that the record button is on, which means it is recording. Here, I am assigning the chords I played. I will draw a note that will allow guitar to play only when needed. Now it's time to play bass guitar. The bass guitar comes from the Korg Triton VST plugin. Now comes the interesting part, playing a solo lead. Let's dive in. This part takes a lot of time. I'm going to time lapse and come back with the final creation. This is the final creation. It is better to play with a MIDI controller than to draw manually. I decided to create this tutorial because I know there are people out there watching and learning production skills using just a laptop and headphones. Working with only software shows that anything is possible and that you don't need expensive equipment to learn music production. Making beats is not hard, it's a quick task. However, most of the time we producers spend polishing and improving the sound. I want to give you a chance to listen to the polished version. Initially, our solo sounded amateurish. I improved the velocity, timing, pitch, and modulation. I've made adjustments to the preset sound of this plugin. If you want to be a good producer of Zouk and Kompa, this is a must-have plugin. You can download the plugin, the link is in the video description. Alright, thank you so much. If you have reached this far means you are interested in my tutorial. If that's true, please subscribe my channel.